all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make red sauce pasta. Take a look at the ingredients for making it. 300 grams of swirled pasta. I am using swirled pasta. You can use any pasta of your choice. 1 large sized onion sliced. Half large capsicum sliced. 500 grams of tomatoes. 1 tablespoon of red chili flakes, 1 tablespoon of oregano, 1 tablespoon of pasta mix. You can also use Italian mixed herbs. Some grated processed cheese, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 3 cloves of garlic, 3 slices of cheese, 1.5 tablespoon of tomato ketchup, 1.5 tablespoon of olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice. 1 tablespoon of red chili sauce. Salt to taste. To the boiling water, add the tomatoes. Cover the lid and let it cook for 5 to 7 minutes. Make sure that you do this process in high flame. It's been 5 minutes now. You can see that the tomatoes are half cooked. Turn off the heat. Transfer the tomatoes into a plate and let them cool down. To the same pan, add the pasta. If required, add some water. Make sure that the water level is above the pasta. Turn on the heat. Add salt to taste. Mix it well and bring it to a boil. Make sure that you don't overcook the pasta. Follow the package instructions for the cooking duration. The pasta is cooked now. Turn off the heat. Strain the pasta and toss it with some oil. To the boiled and strained pasta, add some oil. And toss it well. This ensures that the pasta does not stick to each other. Once the tomatoes are cooled, remove the eye portion of the tomato. Peel the skin. This is optional. You can also grind with the skin. Grind this to a smooth paste. The puree is ready. Let us start making the pasta. To a pan, add oil. Once the oil is heated, add garlic. And saute it well until the raw smell of the garlic is gone. Now add onions. Saute it well for 1 minute. Now add capsicum and saute it well for 1 minute. Make sure that you don't overcook the vegetable. For this recipe, crunchiness gives a very nice taste. Now add the tomato puree. And mix it well. Now add red chili sauce. Tomato ketchup. Sugar. Pasta mix or Italian mixed herbs. Oregano. Chili flakes. You can add red chili powder instead of chili flakes. To this, add cheese slices. This is optional. Mix it well. If required, add salt. I am not adding salt because I have already added salt while cooking the pasta, and pasta mix and cheese both contain salt. Lower the flame and add the boiled pasta. Pasta is ready for serving. If you have access, you can add a few fresh chopped basil leaves on top. It gives a nice flavor to the pasta. Turn off the heat. Try out this recipe and let me know in the comment section how it turned out. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more such delicious and easy recipes. Thank you.